Hey little friends, let's dance and sing. Discover shapes in everything. Look around, what do you see? A shape that's curved as can be. No corners here, just one round line. Spin with me, it's circle time. Shapes, shapes everywhere. Circles, squares, triangles in the air. Shapes, shapes, big and small. Let's dance and learn them all. 4 sides equal standing tall. Corners sharp, we count them all. Up, down, left, right, so fair. Clap your hands for the square. Shapes, shapes everywhere. 3 sides, 3 points. Up we go like a mountain capped with snow. Stomp your feet, give a little wiggle. Now you're dancing with a triangle. Shapes, shapes everywhere. Now let's draw them in the sky. Reach up high, then say goodbye. Oval stars, rectangles too. So many shapes for me and you. Pretend to draw shapes. Hooray, hooray. Shapes are hiding, can you see? Point to one, then tell me. We've learned circles, squares, triangles today. Shapes are friends, hooray!